Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to create Onam makeup look, which is extremely subtle and easy at the same time. I know I'm a bit late, but let's begin. So before I touch my face and makeup products, I am going to sanitize my hand. You can obviously wash your hands, but here I am being so lazy to do that. Next, I'm using Lotus Eco Stay Primer, which is transparent silicone based primer to maintain a barrier between my skin and makeup products so that all the chemicals from the makeup products don't seep into my skin. To color correct, I am taking this Body Shop concealer and going to apply it onto my usual pigmented areas like my under eyes, area around my mouth and forehead. Taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I am going to apply it to the areas wherever I have applied the previous concealer. For foundation, I am using L'Oreal True Match and Fit Me and going to mix these two with sunscreen because I always forget to apply it before makeup, and you guys know the drill. I am going to apply it onto my face and neck. To set everything, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and first taking the smaller blending brush to get into the curves followed by the bigger one. Next, I am taking Revolution Face Sculpt and going to apply it underneath my cheekbones, jawline, hairline and nose. I'm going to keep my eyes very subtle, so I am using contour powder as my eyeshadow and taking this Master Chrome highlighter, going to apply it onto the center of my lids. Next, I'm taking Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, picking up the coffee brown eyeshadow and going to apply it near my upper and lower lash line. I'm using brown color. You can use black or the color of your choice. Taking this Maybelline gel eyeliner, going to tightline my lower lash line. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl and going to apply it onto my upper and lower lash line. Next, I am using this Nicka K blush and going to apply it onto my cheeks. To highlight again, I am using Master Chrome and going to apply it onto my cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. Taking this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, I am going to fill up the sparse area. To line my lips, I am going to use LA Girl lip liner and going to line my lips as well as fill up the lighter areas. Next, I am taking the Superstay matte ink for my lips. Topping my look up with some beautiful bindi, and this is how my makeup turned out to be. Looks extremely subtle and elegant at the same time. Also looks absolutely stunning with all skin tones. So that's it for my today's video. I hope you guys like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.